Honorable Speaker, let me just begin from where Honorable Kagushia has stopped. First, to state that as members of Parliament, we have a duty and a responsibility bestowed on us by the Constitution to oversight the executive. And oversight, Honorable Speaker, I want to believe is what the Honorable Makali Mulu was speaking about when he said, he referred to me, said my work is well cut out. But I want to paraphrase that and say our work as members of Parliament is well cut out in the Constitution to make sure that we offer meaningful oversight and represent our people. And I must thank the chair of the Education Committee, the Honorable Meli, because what he's doing now is offering meaningful oversight over the Ministry of Education and also representing the millions of our children who are in schools who deserve to get what they deserve to get at the right time. Honorable Speaker, I was saying I don't want to dwell on what the Honorable Kagushia was speaking about because largely is political and has nothing to do with oversight and serious housework. But when cabinet secretaries appear before the House, whether it is in committee or in plenary on Wednesday afternoons, cabinet secretaries must be cognizant that they are coming to answer to questions that have been asked by the people of Kenya. And for the cabinet secretary in charge of education to make a commitment in committee, because the Honorable Meli has said he made that commitment in committee. Last week when he was here on Wednesday, he similarly made a commitment, and for what he has said not having happened, I think he's just telling the House he's not serious with his work. And we want to ask the Cabinet Secretary, not just the Cabinet Secretary in charge of education, all Cabinet Secretaries, if you come and pronounce yourself in the House, what you pronounce yourself on must be done. And if it is not done, the onus is on you to communicate to the House what challenges you have. And Honorable Speaker, I'll be reaching out to the Cabinet Secretary for Education to know what challenges he may have had not to have disbursed this money at the right time. And Honorable Speaker, conversation here last week when he was in plenary, and there were even suggestions, if there is a verification process ongoing, why don't you then release a part of the money as you verify the other students, so that it is not 100% of the students who are not legit or genuine students. If you estimate largely you disburse 50 or 60% as you verify the rest. Honorable Speaker, these are challenges, as I said, that I would want to hear from the Cabinet Secretary, and I'll be reaching out to him. He should tell the House, but he cannot appear in the House and make a pronouncement that he does not intend to fulfill. If the challenges are in the National Treasury, because, Honorable Speaker, I'm also cognizant of that, it could be exchequer challenges in the National Treasury, he should come out and tell us. And, Honorable Speaker, I want to offer that I'll reach out to him and probably tomorrow afternoon be in a position to give a detailed response to the House on that particular matter of capitation. But also to take this opportunity, Honorable Speaker, to ask all our Cabinet Secretaries to take their work seriously when it comes to commitments they make to the House. Because you are not making those commitments to members of Parliament. It is to the people who have put you in those offices that you are making those commitments to. When members of Parliament request for statements or ask questions, they ask on behalf of the people that they represent. Therefore, when as a CS you come before us to answer, please make sure whatever you are telling us is something that you intend and mean to do, and do it without fail and without any unnecessary delays, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, if you encourage me to take this afternoon, I was actually watching this debate from my office as I attended to other people there, and I had to excuse myself to come and attend to it in person. And therefore, I want to commit to the House that I will get a detailed response from the Cabinet Secretary.